Jamaican experience. My name is Gabby.
And it's at the Chris representing Jamaica, here in Jamaica. So guys, for today's video, we'll be visiting Freelance Chucky here in Portland. So stay tuned. To Chucky's. Mommy already started with her red stripe and so start with our cran water. Chucky Bros, they say in German, no?
Yeah, go.
You know it already. So in Germany now, Mommy tell her stories about Jamaica days back then.
Yeah.
On the channel. She used to be tour guide here.
Yeah?
For 25 years.
Okay, tours up and down.
Work in hotel.
Yeah. Tour company.
Yeah, me just pick them up from my hotel and carry them like Portland or wherever like. That me do for the longest while. So we just come from Portland, we stay with some friends.
Yeah. German friends.
But things change or
Jamaican
Blue Lagoon and things like not one, yeah.
First time Mommy a tourist there. Usually she always hear the tourists them going.
First time I get to swim in there.
Blue Lagoon.
Yeah.
And Frenchman's Cove too.
Yeah, that cool.
Yeah.
So if you work, you work, you know. So when I go swim with my toes them.
Yeah. So I'm matching at the background, you know.
Yeah.
That was the plan. Oh, that is nice.
Welcome to Freelance Chucky. Nice to meet you. Two girls and the mom at Freelance Chucky. Right now, my friend is here from Germany.
Me
And the
too.
next guy from Austria. He was here chilling, having a good time.
Yeah.
So let I just show you the room with the facility. So, and I have two nice dogs here.
Yeah man, so pretty. Look, she looks bizarre now.
Yes. It's a little bit crazy here, you know, inside the room because you don't know the guests occupy the room like that.
It's no problem.
God, it's gonna be a little
Yeah man, it still look good. See?
look good, you know. And this is your room now where you just bump in, you know.
Yeah,
I think it's super nice, you know.
I love it.
I think it's super nice.
It's really nice, man. Bob Marley. Catch Bob Marley. He's a legend, huh?
Definitely.
It's a nice room, man.
Definitely. And this is the two new rooms, you know. I think I made them last year, you know. These two rooms, two brand new rooms, you know. Yes. And the guy from Austria is staying in this one. You know. And it's like I said before, coincident. If it's full, I sleep by the top, but no, not so full.
So you
I
sleep down
right
here.
inside here, you know. Yes. It's like a mad room, you know. But I can still show for the people already know, say.
Yeah, room is mine.
Yes, and I live freelance time, you know.
Okay, it's still nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
So, where's the German? And near the kitchen.
We're gonna test this thing out.
Here's the kitchen.
Here's the
To be
kitchen.
honest, yesterday I bought this fridge.
Wow.
Put it to, yeah, it's a brand new fridge.
It's very clean, like a brand new one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
brand new fridge. We bring it in yesterday. Because the one inside here, the rubber,
Wasn't.
bad, you know. So I'm losing energy, you know. And I have to pay more. So it don't make sense keep it and pay more. Better spend more.
True. Save on the energy bill.
And save energy bill, you know. You got to stove over here, you know.
You remember this
Kitchen is
part?
all about when the guests come, they just do what they have to do because we don't charge for kitchen, you know.
Yeah, that's
Like
really
he
cool.
said, yeah, you have to give back something. The only difference, it can be bad luck for you or it can be good for the next person because sometimes maybe you come and start to cook and the gas done. And once the gas done,
You have to cook on the wood outside.
everybody's here have to contribute, you know, and buy back the gas. Just that video and everything okay. Oh, this guy lighting the bungs.
Ah, the bung.
Yeah. And here's the bar, freelance bar. It's all about honesty and trust.
Yeah.
That's how we don't use bartender. We have 2 more guests here now. They're from Belgium.
Oh,
But they
really
got-
all Europe, huh?
Yes.
European
My
celebrities.
place is definitely like European too.
Wow.
They're from Belgium.
They live it nice.
But they're not here now, you know. They're gone Poland soon and come back. And this is a freelance room.
Wow, this one open for tonight.
Yes, definitely.
Guys, come and stay tonight.
And like I was saying before and telling you about the river, this
Yeah.
is the entrance.
To go to the river.
Yeah, and then I go up on the road and then I make the right turn and follow the road straight.
Down.
And then I bump off right in the river, you know.
So nice to get a swim, man.
Yeah, and here's the bathroom.
This is just
Yeah,
female.
for the female.
Whoa. This is really hard, man. Style with the toilet paper up there.
And that's what they made. The German put it up here. One guy named Michael who stayed here.
With the toilet paper?
Yeah, it's him idea.
Okay.
The German, yeah.
You think of the Jamaican style. You look like so much Jamaican could I do.
And here,
Mm-hmm.
sometimes, you know, Babylon take away the water, you know, and try to rotate and send to other places.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to get them come and run out of water. So I just invest in tank, you know,
Yeah.
water tank store for the guests.
Really love watching, man.
And just at the bottom now, I'm thinking I should just put a bed inside and make an freelance room. You know?
Yeah.
But I'm not going to put it on Airbnb. It's total freelance room. You know? As if somebody come, I want
Just
to stay
random.
longer. Definitely.
Alright.
Definitely. And you know, you find all the utensils for the kitchen.
I see this on the videos too.
You see it?
Oh gosh, you have a lot of character, you know.
Yes.
Character, man. Get, what do you call it? When you ear out like this. Ear dry.
Yeah, ear dry. Yes. One girl from Germany said, it's the best kitchen this in the world.
Yes,
you
you
know?
have such a beautiful
Yes.
view.
The best kitchen she ever come.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
A breadfruit tree, right?
No, it's a trumpet tree.
And over there is the breadfruit.
Over here the breadfruit tree.
And coconut tree.
Yes, coconut. And here's the entrance to the river, you know.
So you can go up there and you can go down here.
Yes, you have choice, you know.
Okay, so but you suggest that one up there.
Yes, the one up there more nicer for swimming and things like that.
And down here is just for what?
You can just go and just chill and just lay down like.
Just sit in front there.
And I always have coconut.
Some big coconuts. Ay.
I always have coconut.
So I guess you can also cook on the wood fire if they want to be frisky.
Yeah, man. Anything you want to eat. When you come to my place, it's like your place, you know, because I don't sit around and people just do what they want to do. You know, you don't have to ask me nothing.
Okay.
I feel bad if you ask me. Just help yourself and do what you have to do.
I believe.
That's how we do it. You know?
Okay.
And we have pan for jerk. If you want jerk.
Oh gosh, I would love to try it. No, I never jerk chicken yet, pan a real pan.
Yeah?
I think that would have been the chance to try it, no?
Yeah.
But even that would have
I don't know
in
if-
Germany, we could have built something like that now.
Yeah, man. It's still in the pan, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just
Something
bring it to the
small.
well and the well cut it.
Our neighbor, them a go cost way.
In Germany.
Yeah, man,
Yeah?
they have a problem with everything.
I know.
Let's catch the hammocks.
Yeah,
Is your hammocks?
Yes, it's my house. Some more time guests come and feel like chill, they just want to sleep in the hammock in the
You
night.
guys put a mattress underneath, somebody drop out.
You know, say, no, the purpose of it is German guy was here picking jelly, and every time he pick, the jelly drop and burst.
Oh,
And German
That
brain
makes
just
sense.
kick in, you know, and then it-
German bread.
yeah, German brain kick in and just put that now, that's when the jelly drop.
It's not sort of genius.
Yes.
German engineering.
Yeah, German engineering. I know these guys, you know.
Is it one of them? No. It's him. You're the German engineer.
German engineering.
Nah, not the engineer.
Let me go check out the river.
Yes, you can walk down there and take the.
It's not the best road to take. Just be careful. So guys, we're gonna check out the river here at Chucky's. And the puppy already come down here. Hey puppy. I'm stuck in the mud already. Let's see river here, you can wash it off back in the river.
It's not filming now, yeah?
So what do you think about the place so far? Huh?
I can't talk like that. Mommy has some job. It's nice. And Chucky really is such a nice person. Just like in the videos.
Yeah.
Nice as he can be.
Guys, first time washing the almond again since how many years?
A lot of years. Back up at them upper yard like.
We used to do that. That one and now go so good like the last one.
The upper pocket.
You come up better do. The other one I want to go mash up. Mommy. And mommy love them, you know. You want to try?
Want to try please?
No.
You don't eat almond? You guys vegan, no?
I've tried them. I collect them all over the street, all over the beach.
Yeah. Pretty rice. Are you almond with you? You have no more. That's it.
No, those were the ones I got.
Oh, I could.
Grows though. I mean, they do grow.
Sorry, I didn't know. Sad.
Just another excuse to go to the beach.
Yeah.
I just want to play.
So guys, now we're going on a Chucky adventure. We're going to hunt down this river. This time I didn't put on my bathing suit as yet, because I'm debating if I want to go in the water today. But if anything, I can always change because it's in my bag. Mommy, well, I'm palming to fit there like.
Yes. It's steep.
Yeah.
But I could
It's
exercise.
like the dog them are come with me. I'm tired, you want to sit down? You want to sit down? But mommy, now me I realize you put on this upside down.
Which upside down? I mean, I wonder the whole lot of time.
And me I wonder too.
Nobody not say nothing to me.
Me I look for it suspicious here. That's true. Pepper Bigfoot, guys. You know me miss Pepper Bigfoot?
Sun hot. Pretty mountain. Beautiful, yeah. Banana trees.
River water can't drink, right?
No, better not.
No. Here more air.
Huh? By the way, when I left my telephone,
So you mean like in the morning? Afternoon. That's early. So, mommy, I'm trying another snack. The cheese, double cheese. They're so yummy. Did you try them before?
Yeah, sweet.
You tried it before? You tried it before?
Yeah.
Come, now cut off my head again.
The people in me almost die hier.
Ja, even to me edit, you cut off my head proper. Nicht mal die Augen drin, ne? Nicht mal die Augen. So guys, I'm trying now double cheese. I'll try to. Straight up all the snacks again, nothing for home. All the food are in your mouth. No? That's not too much for me. My God. Come let them stop somewhere. You know, feel bad. You know, bring me.
I just want to reach somewhere nice shady where I can sit down.
Dog them cause a lot of attention. So guys, just stop at the shop and got a ginger beer. Battery died, so you guys missed that. And got a lollipop. Guys, I'm sweating like a mad woman. Whew. Just like the good old days in Jamaica. Guys, I'm ready for the room off. So are you ready, mommy? Are you ready? So you can go down so too? Well. Come on. Sarah, come back to mommy. Hello. Come on. Wait, mommy, wait.
Irgendwas noch. You cannot? Verdammt, come down here. Oh no. Oh. Guys, we are lost in the jungle. We are looking away down to the river, and that one spot we just did see a while ago that looks so not safe. So no way down there? Okay.
You think we come so far if you're not good down there? You can't just sit and pile behind like a while ago. So guys, let's go down. Shall you do the display?
Why me?
We're the wrong shoes then.
Yeah, it has fun.
You can tell me every bag? No? Because every so team, I want to drown with them. Guys, this is a whole mission. Mommy, so stay there so now. Me put mommy in the middle away. One in the top, one in the bottom.
No.
Come mommy, you can do it. You just have him.
Just first step on yourself.
See, I wait for her. Don't go so far. Put on the bag and what?
They help me even know you're safe. No, so you're safe.
Oh mommy, come on, you're yardy, remember that. Fine.
No, swim.
The people living in the river don't necessarily have sex.
Yeah, I did see them already. You know, you see that?
No, but me did just see them at hug up, but no. Yeah, watch.
Moment, yeah? I made it, yeah, in my life. Yeah, Sarah already relaxing.
I think I asked Mr. Colors TV come cook. But I see him say I'm strong.
The final from the river like in case the overflow and then from the hill that we can.
Man, close to the river but at the mountain and the hill at the same time.
That is something I come to see.
You should say I was swimming?
Yeah. You know, I cool off.
Yeah.
Yeah, but when I get my swimsuit and this time I get my pants wet. But me going there with my foot like.
So guys, we're here now at the river and one piece of things, right? So we cannot go in the water. Sarah don't go in the water. It's Sarah. Right there, so they're so pretty. But guys, I'm afraid we're going in the water. People in the water are doing things. And
We
then
don't want to disturb nobody.
we don't want to disturb them. So we just hide road there so we can't see nothing. Sarah get all of the view. Sarah watch them full.
It's really nice though. It's really nice and refreshing.
And I'm dying, but I don't want to see nothing. Be alright. I don't want to see, I don't want blind. Sarah see everything by now. You're not blind yet.
But I'm not alcohol.
Yeah, to learn some lessons. Sarah taking the information, you know, with our little self. Put it in, yes. Sorry, guys. Yeah, so we don't want to disturb them, so we are wait.
Then I talk to one another there.
You know, look so. They want to watch too. Guys, them come on and watch too.